Hey folks, Oracle CloudWorld 2024 is just around the corner this September 9th through the 12th. And with me to help tease their involvement at Oracle CloudWorld 2024 in Las Vegas, by the way, is James Wall, Senior IT Director at Albertsons Companies. James, thanks for taking the time.
Pleasure to be here. Thanks, Erin.
Totally. So you were at CloudWorld 2023 and you blew our minds so much that we had to have you back. Just recapping your real-time retail architecture last. Let's start here. Let's start kind of at the top. I'm wondering how your pub and sub integration architecture impacted Albertsons' ability to add connections to your farm and table process.
Yeah, thanks, Erin. So last year at CloudWorld, I did talk about Oracle Integration Cloud and how we revolutionized our farm-to-table process, getting integrations in and out of Oracle through OIC using Oracle Cloud. Getting groceries on our shelves and also integrating with things like DoorDash, Instacart, Grubhub. Those things were critical in standing up very quickly as our business changes very rapidly. And Albertsons Companies being such a vertically integrated company in our supply chain, manufacturing, our distribution, et cetera. Those real-time messages getting in and out of our organization and into our cloud accelerated new business like we haven't seen before. So we were actually well ahead of the curve in terms of standing up new business services, and it continues today.
Beautiful, beautiful. Moving on a little bit, I want to talk about mergers and acquisitions. So we know that Albertsons is evolving and M&A is an important part of that, a really complex part of that. Wondering how your integration architecture, how Oracle integration has impacted your architecture when it comes to these M&A and divestiture efforts.
Yeah, we've been in the news lately for sure. And, looking at divesting stores and merging with another company, our architecture is putting my tech team in a very good position to be able to pivot to meet those demands. There are things we need to do in terms of standing up, new sets of organizations in order to be able to separate data. There is integrations coming in that we have to merge information, right? I can't get too deep into it, but our Oracle Integration Cloud, because of those canonical data models that we've built, we don't have a million pipes coming in and out. We have common models, we have common integrations, we orchestrate everything through OIC, allowing us to scale horizontally like that. We see this as a new piece of business, just like the other ones I mentioned, new pieces of business coming in. It positions us well. We're not re-architecting, we're not rebuilding, we're not doing a lot of rework on our platforms. So it's really positioned us well to be able to service, the new business coming in with these M&A discussions.
Beautiful. Moving on very quickly to RPA. You've pioneered the use of robotic process automation at Albertsons. How do you see RPA and your enterprise architecture coming together?
Yeah, we're exploratory in that space for sure. I mean, so we launched RPA. We're deep into RPA. We use Oracle Digital Assistant with ODA, and of course now we're looking at all our AI integrations as well. We are looking at where can we further fill gaps using RPA, using ODA, et cetera, into our integration cloud. There are areas which we have yet to explore, but we want to exploit all of those technologies to see where we can actually take some of those pieces and shrink development time. Aside from just filling gaps of processing email or some of those simple things that RPA does. So we're looking at the Oracle RPA model as well. We are not an Oracle RPA today, but we use a competitive tool. But yeah, the exploration of there continues.
Beautiful, beautiful. You mentioned AI as a technical innovator. I'm wondering, and this is my last question, I won't keep you too long. How is Oracle integration and your pub sub architecture, how is that helping to bring AI to your data?
The integration that we have put with OIC into our data lakes and data models. Albertsons Companies is doubling down on AI. We are developing, we're in some areas close to 60% of our development is AI developed. Having our data available to us real time allows us to continue to exploit the AI, but it's hard to quantify because we are such early stages. But we're looking at the possibilities of where we can get our analytics into the hands of our consumers, and analytics, and the consumers being, of course, other areas of our business, supply chain, etc. The AI platform that we are wanting to exploit, is the possibilities look fantastic. It's so unknown that we're exploring as much as we can.
It's an exciting time for that stuff for sure. So let's leave it there. That's just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much here about Oracle integration and Albertsons, and how beautiful it is as an example for how these needs are met by Oracle integration. So we will put a link to your customer panel at Oracle CloudWorld 2024 as a link to this in the description for this video. And we'll leave it there, folks. James, thanks for taking the time.
Thank you so much. See you in Vegas.
See you in Vegas. We'll see you in Vegas, folks. You heard it from James. Later.
Thanks. Bye-bye.